Brisbane City Council is committed to promoting safe food practices in order to support small businesses and protect the health of our city's residents and visitors. This video provides tips on how you can prepare, process and serve safe food. Tip 1. Prevent cross-contamination and keep ingredients refrigerated until you are ready to use them. Wash your hands thoroughly and dry with a paper towel before handling food. Wash fruit and vegetables in the food preparation sink. Use clean and sanitised equipment and utensils for preparing food. When not in use, store food in the refrigerator or cold room. Throw rubbish in the bin and place used equipment near the wash sink. Use different chopping boards for different types of food. If you noticed a cracked egg, throw the carton away. Tip 2. Reheat food as quickly as possible, in the microwave, on the stove or in the oven. Small portions reheat quicker. Always reheat small portions of food. Tip 3. Cool cooked food as quickly as possible. Food must be cooled from 60 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius within 2 hours, and then from 21 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius within a further 4 hours. Transfer food to small, shallow containers. Use a thermometer to check how fast your food is cooling in the cold room or refrigerator. Record temperature checks in a cooling log.